There have been 3 main game consoles for quite a long time now, but Google actually might be trying its luck at making a game console very soon. Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name's Jonathan, and in this video I'm taking a look at Project Yeti, a brand new console that Google is planning that could be challenging the Switch, PlayStation, and Xbox. So Google's Project Yeti will probably look quite different from the current game consoles on the market. Google really likes streaming devices with things like the Google Home and the Chromecast, so really it's not that surprising that Google's console will probably be a streaming platform, and actually that's what's codenamed Yeti. According to Kotaku, the plan is actually for Google to run high performance games on its own machines and then stream them to the consoles, a lot like what Nvidia does, or what like for instance the PlayStation 4 Share Play feature allows you to do, where another player can temporarily take over your console and play certain areas for you. Since this will probably be a streaming only device, that could really help to get the price down quite considerably. A lot of players already own multiple systems, so a small and cheap edition could actually be something that, a lot of players are looking for. Back in February, Google was actually reported that they had been testing Yeti as a streaming service that could be used via Google Chromecast, and that service would be subscription based, meaning that players would likely not be purchasing the games they play on it. However, that report said a dedicated hardware unit designed to do the same thing was also possible, and that it would use its own game controller designed by the Google team. Yeti was actually originally slated to release in 2017, but was delayed for unknown reasons, and we still don't know a whole lot about the system. The exact details about the hardware, performance, and pricing are unknown. Now, game streaming services like GameFly and GeForce Now offer a selection of games you can already get on PS4, Xbox One, or PC, but Yeti could actually have some exclusive games too. According to Kotaku, Google's actually met with some large game companies, and it could even be looking to purchase some developers outright. If that's the case, it's very unlikely these developers would be releasing games on other platforms, and honestly this is quite similar to what we've already seen with Minecraft just releasing on Microsoft consoles. Now, one thing that is interesting to keep in mind is that this actually wouldn't be Google's first attempt at a console. In 2014, Google announced the Nexus Player, which was an Android-powered home entertainment box, and it was based on a smartphone hardware and ran Android, so it could handle most apps developed for the platform. There were hopes that Google could use Android games and the very cheap $100 starting price of the Nexus Player to appeal to casual gamers, but to be honest, the platform never really took off, and Google really never even put that much effort into it. The launch was pretty half-hearted, and they stopped talking about it only a couple weeks after it launched. This Google console could be a much bigger deal, and I'm really excited to see like a dedicated streaming box that's designed to play games, because I think that this is definitely something that we haven't seen a full potential realized in, and I think that Google could definitely do it justice. But with that said, let me know what you think of Project Yeti in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and with that said, I will see you next time.